Hello everyone, this is episode 3 of the Learn Java series. Today we will be covering operators in Java. So open up Visual Studio Code. I will not delay anything any further. So just type what I've told you so far in previous episodes. Public class, then the file name, parentheses, public static void main, and just copy this. Okay, you know it. I have autocomplete extension, so that does it for me. Now, so today we will be learning about operators. Okay, so you must have learned about operators in maths in school. Plus, minus, divided by, multiplied by, those sort of things. Okay, so let's go over here. I have created these notes for you. So let's go over them one by one. Arithmetic. Arithmetic just means math. So there are five arithmetic operators. First is plus. Okay, so Uh, I will be showcasing all of these things, all of these operators with the print statement. Okay, system dot out dot print ln, and then in the end semicolon. Okay, and before we start, actually, I have created a project of my own. Okay, so this is the project. I just created it like yesterday. So I will show this in the end of the video, and I will also discuss yesterday's homework and tomorrow's homework in the at the end of the video. So I will be using the print statement to showcase each operator. Let's start with plus. It is very easy. System dot out dot println 2 plus 5. Okay, let's say in the print statement we can also do this stuff. We can do operations. So if I run this, this gives me 7. Okay, that is obviously that's obvious. You must have learned it in school. Now minus is also same thing. Print 7 minus 8, that gives us -1. Okay, then times. Times is not in Java. We don't use x. Like for example, in Java we use 25 multiplied by 2. X is not valid. We use asterisk. Asterisk is you can get it by pressing shift and 8. 25 times 2, 50. Okay, this is the multiplication. Then division. That is also easy. Let's say 200 divided by 12. Or, yeah, yeah. That gives us 16. Okay. So now we have the new operator named modulus. Okay. So just a second. So the modulus, what it does is it is kind of like the division, but what it does is, like for example, let's say I have 4 divided by 2. This will print 2. But if I have 4 modulus 2, it will print the remainder, not the quotient. So the remainder is 0, right? Okay. What if I have 10 modulus 5? Okay. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and it does not leave any remainder, so it should be 0. But if I do 3, then see 1. And if I do 1, 10 divided by 1, that will obviously 0. Now what if I do 100 modulus 19? This will give us a remainder of 5. Okay, so this is the modulus operator, also known as remainder operator. Now let's go on to assignment. Assignment, I don't mean the assignment like homework assignment. I mean the like assigning something to something. Okay, so I'm just going to go over this quick because I don't have much time. Day after tomorrow, I have my SSC exam, and I have to study because SSC is very hard. And I also have a lot of homework from SSC ma'am, and I really don't like my SSC ma'am. So let's start assignment. What is it? So you are assigning something to something. So let's say I create a variable. I showed this in, I think, episode 2. Int b semicolon, and b is equal to 25. Okay, so first of all is the equal to. We have learned about this. It is just assigning something to something. Then it is plus equal to. Okay, now, so let me go here. B, let me print b, and when I run this, see, it does 25. But If I said b is equal to 25, then I do b plus is equal to 1. So I will say b plus is equal to 1 is the same as b is equal to b plus 1. Okay. So this will result in b is equal to b plus 1. Now what is b? It is 25. So it will set it to b is equal to 25 plus 1, which is 26. So this is that 26. Okay. So basically what it does is, first it does the operation and then assigns the variable to it. Okay. So for example, b plus is equal to, if you don't understand, let me say it again. B plus is equal to just means that it will do two things. Okay. First of all, first um it will plus b and 1. Okay. It will add b and 1. Okay. Then it will set the old b to this new b, if you understand. So b plus is equal to 1 just means b is equal to, set b's value to b plus 1. Now if I do 2, so it will be b is equal to b plus 2, which is 27. Okay. So I hope you understand it. If you don't, please ask in the comment section. Now minus is literally the same thing, obviously. B is equal to b minus 2. That will be 23, because 25 minus 2 is 23. Now if I do minus 25, so b is 25 and I am saying that b is equal to 25, its old value, minus this, minus 25. So this should return 0. Okay, 0. Now the rest are the same. We have this multiplied by, so that will be b is equal to b times 25. So b is equal to 25 times 25, which is 625. And then we have divide. What this does, b is equal to b divided by, let's say, 5. Okay, so it will be, its value is 25. So we will set b to 25 divided by 5, which will be 5. Now now there is another one, this modulus equal to. Not many people use it. Actually, I have never seen it in my whole life, and I have been coding for like since 2024 November. You know, so I have never seen this. So this is going to be new for you and me also. So let's do it by 5 and see what happens. You see this? Okay, I understand. What it does is, it does modulus 25. It does 25 modulus 5. When you divide 25 by 5, the remainder is 0, and then it sets b to that 0. Okay. If I set this value to 29, so this will give a remainder of 4, because 25 plus 4 is equal to 29. Okay, and then it sets value of b to the modulus um, result. Now let's go over to logical. Okay, this is going to be a little bit of short video. Why did I write school? Am I crazy? Okay. So logical is, I will show this in the next episode. You know, because logical, yeah, I will show it in the next episode. These are of no use right now. Increment. Increment are literally so easy. It just means, like, let's say int a is equal to, or no, let me say double, which means a decimal value, double variable, its name is the variable, is equal to 2.5 semicolon. Okay, so and let me put in the print function, let me put the variable. Let me zoom in actually. From now on, actually, I will. Whoa, this is too much zoom. Like this, like this. Yeah, this is better. Let me actually full screen. There is no full screen, I think. Toggle full screen. Oh my god, this is so much better. So, I will do this from every video from now on. Okay. So plus plus and minus minus. These just means, okay. Increment is plus plus. Variable plus plus. Plus plus just means add 1. Okay, so it was 2.5 and then I added 1. So it returns 3.5. It prints 3.5. If I do minus minus, then it's the same thing. it will show 1.5. It is just minus, it just subtracts the variable by 1. Simplest thing, I don't know what is more simple than this. Now let's go over to single comment. Single comment is what I have used here. A single, you know what is comment? I think I don't know, I haven't told you. A comment is anything that the compiler just ignores. So you can, in Java, you can do it by double slash. And now whatever I do write in this, it does not matter. The compiler will not throw any error. I can write anything. I can write throw new whatever. I can write public static void main string args. The compiler will, I mean the software that runs the code will literally ignore this. Okay. And if you want a multi-line comment, like for example, if I say this is single line comment, and then if you want a multi-line comment, then just press this slash and then shift 8. Oh, no, no, I mean shift 8. Yeah. So this will give a multi-line comment. So this is, and then I can press enter. A single, this is a multi-line comment. Uh, Line 3. Okay. So this can have multiple lines, but in the single line, this cannot have. Like, if I say this is a single line comment, line 2, this will cause an error. This is not part of the comment. For multiple lines, we use slash and asterisk. For single line, we use double slash. So this was a short episode, pretty short episode, I think. So let's go on to the homework. Yesterday's homework I checked was create, wait, create variable, create string named variable, and set its value to anything, and then print the value inside variable. Now, how would you do this? This is very easy. You have to create a string variable. How do you do that? First of all, data type, so that is string. Then the name, which is variable. Then you can set it to whatever you want. I will set it to maybe this is a string. Or no, actually I have a better idea. Sundi coder is Mahan. Okay, so for my Indian and Hindi audiences, you know what this means. For my English audiences, it just means Sundi coder is like legendary. Okay, so I can do system.out.println, and then simple thing, I can print variable. Okay, what will this do? Sundi coder is Mahan. Now, let's also learn about one more operator. I have not listed it in these comments, but let me just tell you. Let's say I create two variables. Int a is equal to 1 and int b is equal to 2. Now I will print a is equal to b. What did I just do here? It will print either true or false. Okay, this double equal to sign, we will learn more about this in the next episode. But this just means a comparison. We are comparing a and b. So it is saying if a is equal to b, then it will print true, and if it is not, then it will print false. So right now a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So this is false, so it printed false. Now if I set b is equal to 1, now it is true. Okay. Okay, now there are more advanced versions of this, but I will teach you in the next episode. So this is a very short episode. I don't like doing short episodes because yeah, well actually they are also fine, but I just don't really like them because I just have to. Well, I don't really have a reason, but I like to record at long times at a single point. Okay, so now let's just go over tomorrow's homework. You have to do this, or otherwise I will find you and I will come to your home. Homework is, okay. What should be the homework? What should be the homework? Um, um okay. So the homework is create a, okay, no, don't even create. Okay, wait, create two int variables A and B, A and B, set A to 12, set B to 12, and then print if they print their equality. Okay, so you have to create two int variables a and b, set a to 12, set b also to 12, and then print the equality means like I just showed you. Please don't try to rewind, okay, and copy, don't copy. You should have paid attention the first time. If you want to rewind, rewind from the like 0 minute 0 second timestamp, because then you will, then I will get a one extra view. Okay, so and then print the equality just means that do the check that I just showed you with the using the double equal to. Okay, so this is the homework, and let me also give you a challenge. Okay, if you have done the homework and you have like done the homework and you have copy pasted your code into my comment section, then you can do this challenge where you have to let's say uh, okay, so I will not be giving challenge because I will not do that because we are at a very early stage in Java, so I don't need to give out challenges. Now, one thing you might have realized is, oh, Sundi man, you did not cover relational operators. So I will be teach. I did this on purpose. I will not be teaching relation in this episode. I will be teaching them in the next episode actually, because that is where we will really need them. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you really liked it, please like and subscribe, and please ask any doubts or questions in the comment section. So for right now, bye, thanks, and I'll meet you in the next video.